as you would a pebble in a pond. And watch the ripples move across to the other side, and you might see a new world without me. Or you might find yourself again. You see the wind as it blows the leaves from the trees. There's something to be learned from nature and what you see. The simple things around you are most people these days ignore. So by yourself sit down and think about the good times that you and I had. The clouded mind will very soon clear, revealing life was free. Cast your mind as you would a pebble in a pond. And watch the ripples move across to the other side, and you might see a new world without me. Or you might find yourself again.